Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayat number 74 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ قال إبراهيم لأبيه آذر أتتخذ أصناما آلهة و مخرج of voice circling your lips for fatha opening jaws the sound is short وإذ for kasra give e sound attached with dal will get sifa of rukhawa and ham okay so there should be and you're holding your makhraj there, so the sound will go on because this is rahawa. Il qaf is heavy. Alif is with heavy letters, so this alif will be heavy too. And with fatha, open your jaws and make it two counts long. Qala la for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ib for kasra, give e sound attached with ba. Ba will get a nice perfect qalqala. It's not just thalamus, it's not just touching, but it's a nice tabaud. Iba, iba, ra is heavy, make it two counts long. Whenever there is fatha on ra, it is heavy. He, two counts long. Mu, for the circle lips, the sound is short. Li, for kasra give e sound, and the sound is short. A, hamza is sharp. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B, two counts long. For kasra give e sound. He, for kasra give e sound, and the sound is short. A, hamza is sharp, make it two counts long. And for fatha open jaws, the, sorry. Z. This is Z. It has buzzing sound of Z. It does not have the sound of S, but it has Z in it. Z, Z. The sound is short and the sound has buzzing because this is Safid here. Z, ra is heavy for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws. Ta is sharp attached with ta will get a sifa of shidda. There is no flow of sound. Ta for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Kha is heavy for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Dhu for dhamma circular lips and should has the ba in it, and it should be the sound is short. Dhu. As Hamza is sharp for the open jaws. Hamza is light, but Sad is heavy. And Sad has Rakhawa and it has Safir and it is heavy. As na, as Noon is light, so Alif is light too, and make it two counts long. Na, man, Idhar, Sifa is Idhar. حكمه إظهار بس صفة is توسط. من Hamza is sharp, make it two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ha for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Then حكمه إظهار, the ruling is إظهار and صفة is توسط. Then in Hamza is sharp of kasra give e sound. The sound is short with Hamza, and as you will touch noon will get sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In ni, four counts long, but because this is mad munfasil jais ni, it can be four counts or it can be five counts. Hamza is sharp for top and jaws. Ra is heavy. Whenever you are making any letter heavy, you're not circling your lips, but you are lifting your tongue up and make it two counts long. Ra, ka, for top and jaws. Ua, makhraj of waw. Circling your lips for top and jaws. The sound is short. Qaw, Qaf is heavy. Waw is lean. This is waw lean. So when you're attaching fatha with waw, here your sound should be very soft. Qaw, ma. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ka. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Fi, give hums. Whenever you look at fi, you're giving hums. And make it two counts long. Fi, b. Bod is heavy. For fatha open your jaws. And the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Lim, for kasra give E sound attached with meme. We will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. This is idgham with gunna. So uh, this idgham is with gunna. So gunna is so important that I have to write it down because the gunna level is highest here. Lim, mu, for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Been, because of this because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad added lis sukoon. It can be 2 counts long, it can be 4 counts long, and it can be 6 counts long. But we are keeping it 4 counts long here. وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ لِأَبِيهِ آزَرَ أَتَتَّخِذُ أَصْنَامًا آلِهَةً إني أراك وقومك في ضلال مبين إني أراك وقومك في ضلال مبين ومخرج فوق circle in your lips ففتح upon jaws ka ففتح upon your jaws the sound of ka is light ka the gives up the ba in the make it 2 counts long the li for kasra give e sound ka ففتح upon jaws the sound is short nu for dhamma circle ellipse the sound is short ri mad munfasil jaiz make it 4 or 5 counts long Ib for kasra give e sound attach it ba. Ba is light, hamza is light. So keep these 2 counts, these 2 letters light and make a very nice qalqala on ba. Ib ra is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. He 2 counts long. Ma for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Ma for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. La for fatha upon jaws the sound is short. Ku for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Tes for fatha upon jaws attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of Rohawa, and it is light and it has safir. Tes. But when you're attaching ta with sin, you should not give pressure, but let the makhraj flow nicely. Tes. You're not putting pressure, but letting go, letting it go. Tessa for fatha upon jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Wa 2 counts long. T for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Well for fatha open your jaws attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the usud. Well. Aw. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attach with ra. Ra will get sifa of the usud and ra is heavy because there is fatha before it. The for kasra give e sound and dod is heavy and the sound is short. Ua makhraj of pause circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Li for kasra give e sound. Ya is soft. Your middle part of your tongue is lifting up towards your palate, but it is not touching, which is making ya light letter. Ya, ku, ku for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mi for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Nal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam, lam will get sip off the wasut, and the wasut is not too long. When you're engaging the makhraj nicely, this is the wasut. Nas and nel, mu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Ti for qaf is heavy for kasra give e sound. Neen. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. You can make it 4 or you can make it 5 counts long. and noon will get automatically tawassut because noon is with sukun now. وكذلك نري إبراهيم ملكوت السماوات والأرض وليكون من الموقنين وليكون من الموقنين. Fa, give hums in fa. When you're looking at fa, you are giving hums. No matter what, which state this pa is in, but you are giving the hums in it. Hums is a flow of breath. Fa, lam, fa open jaws attach it. Me will get sipa punna. This punna is sakma. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, 2 counts long. Jen, fa open jaws attach. Noon will get sipa punna. This punna is sakma. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha, the sound is short. Ain from your throat nicely. And for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Lay, this ya is lean. So when you are attaching fatha with ya, this part should be very soft. Lay, il. For kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get off the wasut. Lay, this ya is ya lean. What is lean? واو ساكنة قبلها مفتوح and يا ساكنة قبلها مفتوح. These are 2 lean letters. So this is ya lean, this is wow lean. This is wow lean. So, yes, where we were. Okay. Lay, ya is soft here. Lay, lu. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. For the open your jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is sharp. Make it 2 counts long. Cow, wow, lean. When kaf is light, when you're attaching a fatha with wow, the sound should be very soft. Cow, ka. Kaf is light. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ba, mad iwad. You are exchanging the sound of noon into long vowel. This is why it is called iwad. Mad iwad. You are exchanging the sound. That is why it is called iwad. Iwad means to exchange. You are exchanging the sound, one sound into another. This is why it is called mad iwad. And you're making it 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws, make it 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ha, 2 counts long. The. When you're engaging the makhraj of dal nicely, it will automatically give you the ba sound. The 2 counts long. Rab, ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws, attach it ba will get sif of shidda. There will be no flow of sound. B, then it will be 2 counts long. And when you're stopping at a long vowel, it will stay the same. So here you will say the same as you will say in your wasal halat. Rabbi. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Lam for fatha open jaws, attach it meme, we will get sipa punna. This punna is sakmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, the long vowel should not go into your nose, and this is 4 or 5 counts long because this is mad munfasil jais. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is heavy. Because of this heavy qaf, this alif is long, heavy too. And it is 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws. La. This is mad munfasil jaiz. Make it 4 or 5 counts long. U for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Hib for kasra give e sound, and ha should have hums. And for kasra give e sound attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda, and shidda is no flow of sound. The sound will cut off. Hib Wool for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sepa of tawassut. Hamza is sharp, make it 2 counts long. Fi, give hams and fa. For kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Lean. Because of this waqf, yeah, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 or 5 counts. This is mad arid lis sukoon. You can make it 2 counts long or 4 or 5 or 6, but we are keeping it 4 counts long here. فلما فلما جن عليه الليل رأى كوكبا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لا أحب الآفلين. ف give hams in fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Lam for fatha upon jaws attached with mim. You will get about punna. This punna is sakmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma 2 counts long. Ra is short, and for fatha upon your jaws, the ra is will be heavy here because of this fatha. Ra al for fatha. Now this is not a long vowel anymore because this hamza is directly attached with this lam, and lam will get sabab the wasut. Al qaf is heavy. Make it a nice heavy sound by lifting your tongue up only. You're not circling your lips at all. The sound is short. Qa, ma for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. This is heavy. Why? Because there is fatha on ra. Ba, because ba is light letter, so alif will be light too. Make it 2 counts long. Ba, za has z buzzing sound. Z. There should not be any sound of S here. It has a P and it has a Z sound, buzzing sound. Z. Gong. Gong is heavy. And after that, this is heavy letter. So the ikhfa will be heavy. Gong. Qaf is heavy and this alif is heavy too because it is accompanied with heavy letter. Qala for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha 2 counts long. The gives up the and dal, make it 2 counts long. Rob, ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Rob, when it is attached with ba, ba will the makhraj of ba will cut off the sound. B 2 counts long. And it will stay the same when you are stopping because it is 2 counts long. When you are stopping at 2 counts long wall, you are keeping it same. Fa, give hams and pa, for fatha upon jaws. Lam, for fatha upon jaws attached with mim, you will get sepa punna. This punna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, the long vowel should not go into your nose, and it should be 4 or 5 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. Fa, give hams and fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. La for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Qaf is heavy, and this alif is heavy too because of this heavy letter. And make it 2 counts long. La for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. La for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Il for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. This idgham is without gunna, so the sound should not go into your nose at all. Il lam for fatha upon jaws attached with mim, you will get sibab tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Yeah, for fatha upon jaws attached with ha will get sibab for rakhawa. Keep ha light. Yeah, the how you can keep highlight by keeping your tongue straight. Keep it straight. Yeah, the focus give e sound. Dal is light. And dal is always light. The ni 2 counts long. Make it 2 counts long. and long vowel should not go into your nose. Ni, rab, ra is heavy, fatha upon jaws, attach it, ba will get cut, will get stiff of shidda, rabbi, 2 counts long, hamza, la, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short, la, hamza is very sharp, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short, Ku for the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Long vowel should not go into your nose. Nan for fatha upon jaws attach with no. Noon will get sipa of kunna. This kunna is sakmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mi for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha upon jaws attach with lam. Lam will get sipa of the wasat. Qaf. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with waw. This waw is lean, so when you are attaching fatha with waw, your sound should be very soft. Qaw, mid. For kasra, give e sound. Don't forget this e sound of kasra while you are attaching with this do heavy letter. Mid. Mid. And dod will get sifa. Istatala and rakhawa and dod is heavy. Mid. I hope you can hear the dot sound. Mid. Do. And this is 6 counts long because after this long vowel, you got sakune asli. So it will be 6 counts long, and this is called mad lazim. ضالين. And this alarm will get of number 2 because whenever you are attaching long vowel with tashdid, you're giving nabar, and nabar is jump up sound. And then it will be, yeah, because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon. Here, this temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 or 5 counts. And this is mad'adat lis sukoon. من القوم الضالين. F, give Hamza and fa for fatha upon jaws. Lam for fatha upon jaws attached with mim. You will get of kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, mim, and alif both are light. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Ash, Hamza is sharp, attached with sheen. Sheen will get sipa of rukhawa. And the fashi. While pronouncing sheen, your lips should not take any position. They should stay simple and on its normal position because sheen has nothing, the bakhraj of sheen has nothing to do with your lips. Ash. And then Shem for fatha upon jaws attached with mim. You will get sipa of the wasut and for mohid har. Sha for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ba is 2 counts long. Z give buzzing sound in za. For kasra give e sound, and za has z sound. No s sound should be there. Z ba zi gha. Ghain is heavy, and this is maftuha. Letter ghain, qaf, and kha are musta'aliya, and at the same time they have munfatiha, infitah, sifa of infitah. So keep your mouth open. Gha, tang. For fatha, open your jaws, and ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letter, and to create heavy ikhfa, you're lifting your tongue up because you're keeping your tongue closer to the makhraj of qaf. Tung, qa, then it will be heavy and make it 2 counts long. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha, 2 counts long. The, make it 2 counts long. Rab, ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws, attach with ba will get sipa of shidda. Shidda cuts off the makhraj, the sound of sound very abruptly. Rabbi, make it 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long. The mad munfasil jais, make it 4 or 5 counts long because this is mad munfasil jais. Ak, Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with kaf. Kaf will get sip of hums, and hums is flow of breath. akbar. Uh, Ba is light and make ra heavy because when you're stopping, there is fatha before it. That's why this ra will be heavy. Akbaru. Keep ba light and ra heavy. Baru. Fa. Give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. Lam. For fatha open jaws attached with me. Mim will get sepa punna. This punna is akmal. Ma. Don't keep your tongue, sound in your nose for long vowel. Keep it away from your nose. Ma, four counts long, 4 or 5 counts long because this is mad munfasil. Ja is a, hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Let. For fatha open jaws attached with ta, ta will get zip up hums, and hums is flow of breath. Your tongue should not be close to the makhraj of seen, otherwise this ta, the hums will be heard like a seen. It should not be seen. It should stay ta while you are giving hums. Let, afa, afa, let. qa, qaf is heavy, make it 2 counts long. La, for top on just the sound is short. Ya, keep ya light and make it 2 counts long. Qaw, qaf is heavy. For top on just attach it wow. This is wow lean, so make it soft. Me, for top on just in Hamza is sharp for kasra give e sound attached with noon only that's a of kunna. This kunna is sakma. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ni 2 counts long. Ba for fatha upon just the sound is short. Ri mad muttasil wajib. So make it 4 or 5 counts long. Hamza is sharp for the circle ellipse attached with meme, and then meme will get sipa up kunna. This is idgham, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this idgham has a longer kunna. Meme for kasra give e sound attached with me in meme, and this meme will get sipa kunna. Ma, then it will be 2 counts long, and avoid keeping the sound in your nose when you are making it 2 counts long. Tush for the circular lips attached with sheen. Sheen will get sipa of ro qawa, and it has the fashi, and keep your lips straight because sheen has sakun. Ri for kasra give e sound. Raw will be light because there is kasra on it. Kun because of the verb we are giving temporary sukun on noon. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long goal into 4 counts. 4 or 6. You can make it 4 or 2, 4 or 6. But we are keeping it 4 here. فلما جن عليه الليل رأى كوكبا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لا أحب الآفلين فلما رأى القمر بازغا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لئن لم يهدني ربي لأكونن من القوم الضالين فلما رأى الشمس بازغا فلما رأى الشمس بازغة قال هذا ربي هذا أكبر فلما أفلت قال يا قوم إني قال يا قوم إني بريء مما تشركون سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته